Hello, guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing very well today. This is video number 1 for this week, and it's going to be an amazing video. So, guys, stay with me on this video. So today we're going to be talking about UNICH, another airdrop opportunity. I think they might be up to something, who knows. But we're going to do a short overview about the airdrop, how you can be part of what they're doing, and we're also going to give a bit of my own opinion. And if you have an opinion, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about UNICH. We're also going to be dropping a link down in the description, so if you haven't joined what UNICH is up to, you can join through that link. And of course, join my clique. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So UNICH, according to their platform, they said UNICH pre-market is an exclusive over-the-counter OTC platform designed for trading emerging tokens before their official market debuts. They went further and said that this UNICH platform empowers buyers and sellers to set quotes and execute trades at agreed upon prices before emerging in the UNICH pre-market trading. Ensure you have sufficient funds available and can fulfill your trade commitments within the designated time frame. So UNICH is just like another pre-market platform, and that's what they want to build, or that is what they are currently working on. Because if you see their platform, you can see here that they have you can connect your wallet, and you can connect an Ethereum wallet, BNB, Base, BitLayer, and Solana wallet are all allowed on this platform. So guys, what do you think about UNICH? But let's leave what they are trying to do, and let's take a look at how you can join their airdrop. So if you go through the link that I already dropped in the comment below, the link is definitely going to bring you to this page, and then you will be asked to register using your email. So you can use your email to register on their platform. So if I click on go to my earnings, of course you will see they also say that you could claim 50 points for joining. Immediately you're joining, you will get 50 points for joining. So that's that about that. And then as you can see this is my code, this is my referral link. It's a very simple dashboard. And then if I go down a bit, you see they say reach milestones and get bonuses. You have 50 points per referral. So if I'm able to refer a lot of people, you get a whole lot of points on UNICH. And as you can see, I've not really referred anyone because I've just been testing what they are up to and see how this goes. So guys, don't play with this. Jump on my link and use my link to register on UNICH. I think they might be up to something. Looking at what they are planning to build. And then if we go down below, you see a place where they showed the leaderboard, which is the person already has about 7.7 million points. I'm far away from these people, but people are really farming this UNICH big time. And then you can also tap to earn. They have this system whereby you tap, I think every 24 hours. I've not tapped today, so if I tap on this now, it starts a countdown, as you can see. So in 24 hours I can come back here and see that my points has already been added to my existing points, and then you'll have to click the tab again. So this is more of you come every 24 hours to actually tap on this, and then it starts mining your points. So this is very straightforward, guys. Don't sleep on it. You can also have so many tasks you can do here that can earn you good points. As you can see, you can join their Facebook, you can tweet and retweet on their Twitter account, you can join their Discord, Instagram, subscribe to their channel, and you'll get various points for joining this or doing this task rather. So that's another good one. I've done majority of these tasks, but I'm not really active on Facebook. That's the reason why I haven't really joined these. But if I click on this, say quotes with hashtag this, and like and tweet #264, this is a once only request. So let me take a look at this. Got it. Okay, let's see the link, and then I'm going to act based on this link. Okay, still loading. I think my reception is a bit dicey. Okay, so let me quote this. You can also follow me on Twitter. Let's engage ourselves on Twitter. Follow all our socials. Okay, I'm going to quote this with there is an instruction. I'm quoting that instruction. Let me take a look here. Okay, this is taking longer than I expect. Alright, they say that you should quote the hashtag C UNICH and like and retweet. Like and tweet. So I'm just going to like this. I'll quote this with this. Okay. I'll say supposed to use #UNICH. So I posted this. You can also like. Okay, so let me go to my page, and then I'll copy the link. I'll copy this link. And then I'll add the link here and confirm. So as you can see, I got 40 points for completing this task. So it's very straightforward, it's not cumbersome, and you can also go through each and every one of these and get points from these. So as you can see, I already have about 800 points just now. I just got the 800 points now, and that looks very amazing. So it's very straightforward, and if we take a look at their Twitter accounts, you see that they have loads and loads of community members, different tasks, and they are very engaging as well. So they might actually be up to something, guys. They might be up to something. So check the link in the description below. If you haven't join with my link, and then bounce on this project. Don't let sleep on any of this free airdrop this year. So that's that about UNICH. There is nothing much for the dashboard. I think it's straightforward. So that's that for UNICH. Let me know what you think about UNICH in the comments below. Big up yourselves. Very important. I think Layer Hedge is done with their own airdrop activity, testnet activity rather. I think Nexus is also done with their own testnet activity, and we don't know when they are going to go live themselves. But I'm sure they are going to tweet about that on their page. You can take a look at their socials and be sure that they can go live anytime from now, but they've not stated any dates as of today. Yeah, if you've watched this video this long, guys, big up yourselves. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible, and then smash the subscribe button and help get this community to 5,000. We're currently at 4,000 plus. We're close to 5,000. Our target is 10,000, and this year is already going down. So guys, join our community, join what we're doing here, join all our socials, and that's that from me. Big up yourself once again, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.